Starting to invest can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. Here are some steps you can take to get started. Set investment goals. Before you start investing, it's important to determine your investment goals. Are you saving for a short-term goal, such as a down payment on a house, or a long-term goal, such as retirement? Knowing your goals will help you determine how much risk you're comfortable taking on and what types of investments may be right for you. Determine your risk tolerance. Every investment carries some degree of risk, but some investments are riskier than others. It's important to determine your risk tolerance, or how much risk you're comfortable taking on, before you start investing. Open an investment account. To start investing, you'll need to open an investment account. There are many types of investment accounts available, including individual brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and education savings accounts. Do your research to find the account that is best suited for your needs. Choose your investments. Once you have an investment account, you'll need to choose your investments. There are many types of investments available, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Do your research to determine which types of investments are best suited for your goals and risk tolerance. Monitor your investments. Once you have chosen your investments, it's important to monitor them regularly to ensure they are performing as expected. You may need to make adjustments to your portfolio over time as your goals and risk tolerance change. Remember, investing involves risk, and there is no guaranteed way to make money in the stock market. It's important to do your own research and invest in a way that is appropriate for your financial situation and risk tolerance. If you're unsure about how to start investing, consider consulting with a financial advisor who can provide guidance and support.